only one supporter of Argentina, and my father, mother, all of the humans about me is Mishor. Then
Okay.
they was Argentina is won the game last way.
Okay.
They say Argentina is the most of the best team of the ever. We will support now all.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? And we have a guest today, and his name is Rafan. He's one of our students from Kids English batch. So I'm very happy to have him here, and he's very smiling, guys. Okay. Do you like to smile all the time?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's great. So Rafan, so can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Okay. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rafan. My mother's name is Shifa and my father's name is Jaman. And I have a small brother. My brother's name is Ryan. He also reads in this class.
Okay. In Talented Kids batch, right?
Yes.
In the junior batch.
Lily.
In the Lily group.
Lily
Okay.
group.
That's great. So, what class do you read in, and what do you study?
I did in class 5 and I'm studying here partial speech about.
Okay, what's your school name?
My school name is Gazipur Cantonment Board High School.
Okay, that's great. So, what did you study in Talent Arts?
Partial speech.
Perceived speech. Can you just tell me something about what is perceived speech? What do you mean by perceived speech?
Partial speech is 8 type of words.
Okay, that's great.
There are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, contraction, interjection.
Okay, and what is noun?
Noun is about anything's name.
Anything's name. Okay. So in general, if I say Rafan, is it noun or verb?
Yes, it's noun.
It's noun.
And verb means is work. For Rafan will be never verb.
Verb. Okay.
It will be noun.
Okay. Can you give some example of verb?
Work, sit down,
Okay.
walking, running, writing, reading, anything.
Okay. Any kind of activities that you use by using your body, hands, and movement, right?
Yes.
We can do it. We can say it a verb.
Verb.
That's great. So let's know more about your personal things. Like, do you like games?
I like to play football because it's a national game, I think.
Yes, it's right.
But many kinds of games, but my parents love to play football with me. My father and me and my cousins, boys, play with me a team by team football match, and we are won the game.
Okay, that's great. So now we have a vibrant of World Cup, right? So which one is your favorite team?
Argentina.
Argentina.
Yes.
Why is it favorite to you?
Because it's a very they play the football game very nicely, very decorately, by one or passing systemly.
And
That's
how
why.
many games have you just watched? Because you know that the Argentina, most of the cases we see that the games of Argentina has been held at on 2 p.m. in Bangladesh or 2 a.m. in Bangladesh time. So is it possible for you to watch the game on TV at midnight?
Yes.
You watch them, right?
Yes. I always watch.
Okay, so who is your favorite player?
Messi.
Messi. So how do you feel when Argentina win the game?
I feel very great, happy, or excited.
Excited. And what do you do in that time?
I I eat popcorn or chicken and call.
You celebrate
Yes.
the win, right? Okay. So only by taking foods, or do you do dance or
Dance.
Okay, do dance. Okay. So your whole family, everyone support Argentina?
Yes, but that one day I'm only one supporter of Argentina, and my father, mother, all of the humans about me is Mishor. Then
Okay.
they was Argentina is won the game last way.
Okay.
They say Argentina is the most of the best team of the ever. We will support now always Argentina.
Okay, so then your whole family shift from Egypt to Argentina. Okay, that's a wonderful story. So since you like Argentina, so everyone also. So yes, in this World Cup, Argentina is playing really very good.
Yes.
Okay, okay, and
I hope this year will be Argentina get again World Cup.
Yet again World Cup. Okay. So do you hear the name of Maradona?
No.
No. Okay. So Maradona was the player of Argentina once upon a time. And it was back in very early of the football
But
game.
I know him, but I don't know his name.
Okay. So he was one of the best player like Messi. Okay. So that's great. And what will you do if really Argentina win the World Cup? What will you do? How will you celebrate this?
I will be made a wooden World Cup, and I will be go my village, any place. Then I will show the Argentina is win the World Cup.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much. So, dear everyone, thank you very much. আজকে রাফান আমাদের সাথে অনেকগুলো বিষয় শেয়ার করেছে, তার মধ্যে হচ্ছে গিয়ে ওর গেমসের বিষয় নিয়ে সবচেয়ে বেশি শেয়ার করেছে, অ্যান্ড ইট ওয়াজ রিয়েলি ভেরি এক্সাইটিং। অ্যান্ড আমরাও আশা করছি যে আর্জেন্টিনা জিতুক, রাফান জিতে যাক, রাইট? ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ ফর জয়নিং। সো ইন অ্যানাদার ইন্টারভিউ আই উইল call you again. Okay. And of course you take care of your brother and try to speak English all the time with him.
I always help him to speak English because he drink water only one time. Then he come me and he said, "We drinking water." I said, "No, we not, because you are drinking water only you. Because you need to say now, I drinking water."
So I drink the water. Okay, that's great. So you try to make him correct
Yes.
how to. That is a good responsibility as an elder brother of your smaller one. So that's okay. Thank you very much. যারা আসলে আজকের এই ভিডিওটি দেখছি, আমরা রাফানের জন্য দোয়া করবো, ও যেন খুব আরো ভালো ইংরেজি বলতে পারেন। He is a very wonderful guy. He has a smiling face all the time and he helps his younger brother. এবং হচ্ছে যে সবাই রাফানের এই ভিডিওটা সবাই শেয়ার করে দিব। Thank you very much. So thank you.
Bye. Assalamualaikum.